In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product collections in Shopify. Collections let you group related products so customers can browse by category, theme, season, or any criteria that makes sense for your store. They're great for navigation, merchandising, and even promotions. Start by opening your browser and heading to shopify.com. Click Login at the top right, then sign in using your email or one of the available sign-in options. If you manage more than one store, make sure you choose the correct one after logging in. Once you're in your admin, look to the left sidebar and click Products. This is your main hub for everything inventory related. Under Products, select Collections. You'll land on a page that lists your existing collections, if any. To create a new one, click Create Collection. You'll see a page for your new collection. Begin by giving it a clear, descriptive name. Think about what your shoppers will understand at a glance. Names like Summer Essentials, New Arrivals, or Under $50 work well. Keep it concise but precise so it's easy to recognize and reuse across your site. You can always refine the name later. Next, decide how you want Shopify to build this collection, manual or automated. Manual collections give you full control over exactly which products are included. You handpick each one. Automated collections, on the other hand, use rules to include products that match your criteria, such as a product tag, vendor, price range, or availability. Automated is perfect if you want the collection to update itself in the background. For example, set a condition like product tag is summer, and any product you tag with summer will appear automatically. You can choose whether products must match all conditions or any of them, which is useful for fine-tuning. Now add products. If you chose manual, click to browse your catalog and select the items you want included. You can search by product name to move faster. If you chose automated, make sure your products already have the tags or details that match your conditions, and Shopify will pull them in for you. You should see a preview list so you can confirm everything looks right. When you're satisfied, click Save. Shopify will confirm your changes and your collection is now ready to use. You can come back anytime to rename it, adjust the rules, or add and remove products as your inventory changes. That's it. Your new collection is set up and ready to help customers discover the right products faster.